To get the no data report of vehicles, first you have to log into your user panel. After that, click on Analytics. Here, the no data option will come at the second last option. After that, you can check the no data report or history report in this page. So this last month data means up to 1 month or last month data you can check here. So it is showing this particular vehicle number went to no data for this time and date, for this duration and at this location. Also you will be getting the Google Map link. So this is how you can identify the no data hours, non-working hours of the vehicle. The vehicle is going to no data. There might be multiple reasons for this. The major reason might be it is not in network area. So if the device GSM not receive the signal, means it is not getting connected with the server and it will not give you the data. So this is the main reason of no data. Otherwise, if any vehicle is in no data from the long duration, means it might have the device issue or it might be any physical damage to the device. So in that case, you kindly contact to your salesperson or our support engineer team. Our support team ID is support@vamosys.com. So like how you can check the no data report of vehicles. Thanks for watching.